I would give it a 4. Well, I thought you were a fashion influencer.
Oh my gosh. Hi everyone, I'm Angelina and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. Today I have a very special guest. This is my daughter, Gabrielle. She is 13. Yes, I do have a 13-year-old, an 11-year-old, and an 8-year-old. To all of you who have said I look too young to have children, God bless you. I know that is false because as long as I'm older than a teenager, I suppose I could have kids. But I do have 3 kids, and yeah, we are going to be doing a My Daughter Rates My Upcycles, My Upcycled Looks challenge. How do you think I'm gonna do?
Good.
That's not a big vote of confidence. I hope she's not too brutal to me, but if you are a mom, you know you have to have tough skin because these kids, they are honest. If they feel like you've been gaining weight, they're gonna tell you. So if you want an honest report of something, ask your kids. They're definitely gonna be honest with you. So first outfit is actually one that I took a blazer and a hoodie and I put them together. It was inspired by something that I saw on the runway for this season, and I made it into a romper as well, and that was Chanel inspired. So we're gonna get her take on the look and see what she thinks about it.
I like the shoes,
Okay.
but the boots go better with something else, something more like...
Okay, so at 1 to 10, 1 being the worst, 10 being the best, what would you give this outfit?
I would give it a 4.
A 4?
Yes.
Okay, so why a 4?
The hoodie mixed with the blazer is just like off.
It's off, so you don't feel like more professional things should be mixed with more casual things?
Never.
Never?
I mean, I would...
So whoa. So what about you wearing like your church clothes with sneakers?
Well, sneakers, they go with everything.
It's still a mix.
But if you upcycle them together, then it's like, you can like wear like a hoodie and then a blazer on top of it. And like wear some like jeans or something. And that would be cute. But like, put them all together, it's just like weird.
All right, you're out of here.
This video is sponsored by Skillshare.
Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people, with topics including illustration, design, photography, video, freelancing, and more. You can explore new skills, deepen your existing passions,
And just get lost in your creativity.
My daughter actually wants to be a fiction writer, and so we are introducing her to Skillshare. And there's an amazing class on there. It's called Crafting Complex Characters by Benjamin Wooder, and she's super excited to take it. And it's cool because there's no ads and they're always launching new premium courses.
And it's less than $10 a month with the annual subscription.
So if you're ready to take your creativity to the next level, the first 1,000 to click the link in the description will get a free premium membership. So you can let your creativity run wild. Okay, so number 2 is one that I took 25 pairs of jeans and I created a top with it, and then also separately I took some jeans and made loops. And I do have tutorials for any of these that you are seeing that have been upcycled, and I will put them in the description box below. But let's see how she feels about this one.
I like the shirt.
Okay.
The shirt is nice. The pants are nice. They're like not too fitted and not too wide.
So what do you think? What does this outfit get rated?
7.
A 7? I'm feeling more of like higher than that.
It's my choice. I mean, I'm the one who didn't upcycle it, so.
I obviously think all of these are amazing because I upcycled them. That's true. but I'll accept a 7. That's fine. Plenty of people who watched the video thought it was a 7 or less, I'm sure, and I'm okay with that. All right, so the next one is a pair of jeans, white jeans that I have been seeing everywhere, these cow print jeans, and so I decided to just take black fabric paint and make cow print jeans. So, and then I just this random t-shirt that I've had, I think I got the t-shirt from like Five Below, but I paired it with that for one of the looks. I did 3 looks in that video, but this is one of the looks. Let's see how she feels about this one.
A 10.
A 10?
Yeah.
Okay, so I got a 10 for the cow print jeans. Like, why is this a 10?
I mean, I would like them like wider.
Okay.
But pretty much the cow print is like my style, and I really like them.
So, like, what would you describe your style to be? Because every time I try to describe it, I'm not right. I'm not correct, and I'm offensive. So
it's like a 90s style, I guess.
90s, which I think is very cool. You know, I was living in the 90s, right?
Yes.
So,
but you picked up.
I picked up nothing.
I'm just kidding. I'm not one of those kids. I like to keep the 90s, even though I was born in 2001.
Exactly. All right, so number 4 is a recent upcycle where I took a tie-dye t-shirt and just cut a half circle out of the back of it and made t-shirt yarn and looped it through and made a back cutout. So let's see how I paired it with these peach pants because I felt like it really went with the tie-dye. Because I obviously love pairing like more elevated pieces with more casual pieces. That is really, really like my style. But let's see how she feels about it.
Tie-dye is really nice. I like it.
Okay.
For the back, I'll give it a 9 out of 10.
Nice. Okay.
I would wear it with jeans.
Of course. So, and you even like the tie-dye? Okay. All right, so thumbs up for that look. I wanted to show everybody how to do puff sleeves, and so I was just taking some men's dress shirts, and this one I just so happened to have a white shirt and a black shirt. I decided to mix them together because that's really, really hot right now, mixing colors and color blocking, and white and black in general. Really stark white with really stark black is very hot right now, so I put these two together. Absolutely love this shirt, but let's see how she feels about how I styled it. What? Say what you gotta say.
Well, I thought you were a fashion influencer.
Oh my gosh.
I'm just kidding. You have your style and I have mine, which is probably better. Okay, I know this is your style. Well, so for your style, I'm gonna give it a 7. Okay, so let me just say that we were in the apartment at the time, and I would not have in real life paired it with this skirt or paired it in this way, but I did the best I could with my limited wardrobe. Like, I had to bring a capsule wardrobe to the apartment, so and it really hurt my heart to not have what I needed to just make this amazing. Now, as far as you're concerned, I could have just put it on with some jeans, right? Yeah. The skirt is good. Pleated skirt, better.
Okay, so like a pleated skirt. Should I have tucked it or not tucked it?
Maybe tucked half, but not tucked it would be good.
Okay, but it needed to be pleated. So you're just not a fan of the animal print. Okay, I can dig it. But of course you love the shoes.
Yes.
When I first got these shoes, I had to keep my eye on them because otherwise she would have had them. If her foot was a little bit bigger, she would have had them.
I was confused on why you got those. When you got those, I was like, okay.
So I shouldn't get those just because they're your style.
No. I was saying why.
I like them.
But I was really confused. I was like, no, you like boots and like.
So those don't seem like something I would wear.
Yeah, those don't seem like something you would wear.
But I really do like them.
Okay.
Next up is a 90s ugly prom dress that I got because I wanted to do something inspired by the Beyonce Black is King. It was Michelle's dress in that video. And so this is what I came up with, and let's see how I know she doesn't like anything like extra over the top, but let's see how she likes this.
I like it. If I was gonna wear something extra over the top.
So what does it get? 1 out of 10?
7.
7. Okay, so I'm pulling 7s, which in my all A's lifetime is not great. I don't appreciate 70s. That's a C. But from my 13-year-old daughter, I take this as a win.
Let's think of it this way. 7 is closer to 10, and 5 is basically a 1, and 7 is basically a 10.
What?
7 is my favorite number.
So have you been giving me 7 just because 7 is your favorite number?
7 just popped up in my head as when I looked at it, it was like a 7.
Okay. All right, so next up, speaking of Blueprint Signature, I have my own brand and where I remake clothes and sell them. And so a couple years ago, I did my first runway show, and the name of my brand is Blueprint Signature at blueprintsignature.com, just in case you want to check that out. But I have my signature blazer that has a denim back to it, denim sleeves, and it's basically a combination of a blazer and some jeans. So I paired it with these super, super funky shorts that are like almost like a kind of like a droopy type short. So I am worried about how she's gonna feel about that, but we're gonna see what she thinks.
Blazer
Is
nice.
okay.
The shorts are not. Go back to the kitchen and do it again.
Why don't you like the short?
Because they look like you're sagging.
Okay, I can appreciate that. So what what number would you give me?
A 0. I'm just kidding. I was a joke. 5.
A 5 is only saved because of the blazer.
Yes.
Okay, so the blazers are what I'm selling on my online, not the shorts. However, I promise you, if these got big, if these got big and everybody was wearing them, you want to wear them too.
No.
How many years was I telling you about skinny jeans and saying like, hey, you should really try other jeans? And you was like, I only wear skinny jeans. Okay, so next up is not something I upcycled. It's from a recent thrift haul where I was thrifting for spring, found the most amazing blazer. Striped, colorful blazer, and because colorful stripes are really in. And when I saw this, I was just like, yes, $2. If you're ever in Houston, Family Thrift Outlet is a place you want to go.
I would see people my age like wearing this.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Wearing like something like
it. Okay, yeah.
And I would give it a 9.
Oh.
Because I wouldn't wear it because it's not my style, but I know that it's like this color combination is very popular.
I can appreciate that because that's one thing that I am very big on is just because something isn't your style, you don't have to rag on it just because it's not your style. So, but I absolutely love that outfit, and a lot of you guys did too. Okay, so this is another trend from that same video. It is the disco trend, and I found this shirt, and it was just a regular shirt, and I tucked it to look like this, so it was just like the shirt was too big for me. And then pleated pants, super in. I absolutely love pleated pants. Paired them together with these studded boot heels that I have that I absolutely love. So I know from the picture that it looks pretty gray. It is not gray. It is more of a bronzy type of color in real life. But let's see how she feels about this one.
It appears as if it is gray.
I know.
But someone needs to get their eyes checked.
It's not. It's the way I edited the photo because I don't like the color of the walls. And so what do you feel about the outfit?
Okay, I give the outfit a 10 out of 10.
Yes. Okay. Why?
Because it matches.
That's it?
And it's really nice. I like the boots. The boots go with the pants very, very much. They make you look a lot taller and more long.
Lean, yeah.
Yeah.
But you like the outfit?
Yes, I like the outfit.
Okay. Well, I got 110.
We got 2 10s.
What else did I get?
The cow print.
Oh yeah, the cow print. Last up is another from that same video, and this was more on the sherbet trend that's going on, as well as the super bright color trend. I combined them. Yes, I did. Not everybody's combining them, but I decided to combine them with a colorful pair of shoes, which, you know, you guys know, if you've been watching sneaker trends, colorful sneakers are really on trend right now. And so I paired them with these jeans that have the waistband lifted and adjusted and a cutout in between. So let's see how she feels about these.
Very bright. The pants do not cancel it out. If it was canceled out, then it would be nice. Black pants would cancel them out a little bit better.
But if I wore black pants with that orange and that black, I would look like a pumpkin. I would look like Hello Halloween.
I mean, you want to look at a stoplight or Halloween?
Neither. Okay, so what does this get? One in between 1 and 10.
I mean, what you said, that this color was a trend.
Yes, it is a trend.
Where?
On runways. It's a runway trend.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'll give it, it's nice matched. It's very bright. An 8.
Okay, all of that, and I still got an 8.
Yes.
Why?
It's very nice matched.
Okay. What do you feel about the jeans? Like, do you like these jeans? You don't like them?
I wouldn't wear them.
You
They're
wouldn't?
too short.
Fair enough. But if they were like wide leg, I'm talking about the top part of them. Would you wear that?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. I have super long legs, so I often wear jeans that are too short. Some that are just, I mean, I do what I gotta do.
Don't humiliate me.
And then I'm gonna go on TikTok and do a TikTok dance.
Oh, God.
I'm gonna,
even though, like,
do little dances.
don't do it. Don't do anything on TikTok. Just do what you do. Do your little upcycle.
My little upcycle.
Your little, hi, welcome back to my TikTok channel.
You know what? It's on. I'm gonna do a full, if it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's up. And the whole.
Cut the cameras.
Okay, so overall, how did I do?
For your outfits, you got, that'd be nice, a 9 out of 10.
All right, I got a 9 out of 10.
That's really nice.
I am very glad that she is very opinionated about her own sense of style, because there have been times where, people have, tried to shake your sense of style, but now you're resolute in it, right? Yes. So she can't be shaken, and neither can I. So you guys definitely make sure you subscribe and turn on all notifications so you don't miss a thing. Anything that I have talked about as far as upcycles, they are in the description box below. And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
This outfit is hideous. I
Hey.
so I am being very nice right now. Rewind. Sponsor. This video is sponsored by Skillshare. This video is sponsored by Skillshare. She's not my mom. She's with Skillshare.
Let's go to Mari. Mari gonna say, you are the mama that knows. gonna say you are not the daughter. Cause I love you.
I love you too.